Hi, Dr. Albert again. As you can see, we have a state-of-the-art facility here. All the latest stuff that they use for hair transplantation. We have a dissecting microscope or two that most physicians who are doing hair transplantation should be using at this point, which cuts your grafts into 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 hair grafts, which is the latest technique, follicular unit transplantation, which most doctors are using at this point. So the microscope is here. As you can see, the patients can either listen to music or they can watch TV, which you can't see on site right now, but we have a TV in the room also. It's a comfortable situation for the patients. They can, as you can see, sit in a dental chair, and they can get up as often as they wish to go to the bathroom. We feed them lunch. If you need to take a break, you can take a break. So it's really not a very stiff atmosphere at all. My nurses are, as I mentioned in the previous video, have been here for years, and they're all very nice and pleasant. You get the same physician, which is me, every time you come in. You get the same nurses every time you come in, which is a big advantage over some of the larger facilities where you might get a different doctor every time you come in, and you might get a different nurse every time you come in. So those are the biggest advantages. Plus, since I'm a smaller facility, my overhead is less. I tend to be less expensive than the larger hair facilities, sometimes as much as half, 50% off on many occasions. And I may not have mentioned this previously, but I'm not only the doctor, but I'm also a patient too. My entire head on top here is transplanted hair. I'd be totally bald on top. So as you can see, for me, it works. And it really looks very natural, and to me, it's the greatest thing. I mean, I used to comb over my hair when I was younger, and I would get away with it because I have that nice thick hair, but God forbid I jumped in a pool and got my hair wet, I would just be a wreck. So, and I'm sure many people are going through the same thing. So hair transplantation is great. It really does work. It's a lot easier than most guys think, and it's a lot less expensive than most guys think. So, if you give us a call and make an appointment for a free consultation, we'll make it worth your while. Thanks.